Okay, let's practice writing an equation with a word problem. Bob bought 3 lollipops for $6. So let me visualize that. We've got Bob, and he got 3 lollipops, and let's see, and those 3 lollipops cost $6. All right, there's like a little picture for me. Bob, 3 lollipops, $6. Okay, how much did each lollipop cost? Okay, so let's see. I've got a couple of numbers in here. I've got 3 lollipops, and he spent $6. So I've got to think. If he spent $6, let me think about when I spend money. Okay. Do I end up with more money or less money? Okay. I think 3 lollipops, $6 total. So 6 is the most money that I spent, right? Because that's the total amount. So these lollipops, they can't cost $6, right? Because if they cost $6 each, it'd be 6, 12, 18. So that wouldn't make sense. So this number 6 has to get smaller because I want to know the total amount of money that he spent, how much he cost. So that means I'm going to end up with a dollar amount. So it doesn't make sense that 6 is going to get bigger because let's do that. 6, 12, 18, no. Okay. 7, 14, 21, no, because he only spent $6. So that number 6 has to get smaller. And we talked about operations that make things smaller. Subtraction or division. Now, if you just got here and you're like, okay, I don't know. I either need to subtract or I need to divide. Well, let's go 6. Let's just guess and check. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is $3. Does it make sense that each lollipop cost $3? 3, 6, 9. That can't be true because he only spent 6. Subtraction does not work. What does that leave me with? That leaves me with division. 6 divided by 3. If we break 6 into 3 equal groups, there are my 3 equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much in each group? 2. Does that make sense? 2, 4, 6. Hey, that does make sense. When you're visualizing, if you realize that the number is going to get bigger or smaller, you're like, listen, it just does not make any sense that 6 is going to get any bigger. It's got to get smaller. You could always just try both and see which makes sense. Or you could start saying, well, each lollipop cost, well, the lollipops are going to cost the same amount. It's not like one cost this and one cost that. They said each lollipop cost. So if we're talking about getting smaller the same amount over and over and over again, it's division. There's even a clue word. Oh, I don't even think we wrote it down there, but I think I said it in the teaching video. Each, when you're breaking things into equal groups, whenever you see each, honestly, I'm like multiply, divide, multiply, divide. Nobody told me that trick till I was really old. So if you see that word, you may want to think if you're going to multiply or divide. That makes this easy because you know that the number gets smaller. So division it is. Do you see all the thinking I just had to do? So the equation that I'm going to write is $6 divided by 3 lollipops equals M amount of dollars, with M equaling $2. When I put words in with my numbers, there is a lot of thinking that's involved. Boys and girls, you have to look at the words. You can't just grab numbers out of here and start doing things with them. We're going to have to think. Let's try another one.